Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is 8-man dash cam. This is the best dash cam in this list. With 3-inch large screen and updated 1080p resolution, every part of your video looks amazing, shows your images in the best possible light. With the WDR and HDR technology, the camera delivers clear videos with artistic qualities. Your footage stays clear and steady even in low light. Parking mode monitors your car's surroundings while car is parked. Long-time parking function needs hardwire kit. It is ideal for you when driving in a wide highway or large intersection without creating a fisheye effect that makes vehicles in front look further away. Never misses any moment. Automatically captures unexpected driving accidents and saves video footage of the collision. Your safety and legal rights are always under protection. For details, let's watch more. Our second best dash cam is Garmin 0100206200 dash cam. Garmin Dash Cam Mini captures high-quality 1080p HD footage in a dash camera about as small as a car key. Once plugged into your vehicle's power source, The camera continually records and automatically saves video of incidents. Notice, some jurisdictions regulate or prohibit use of this device. It is your responsibility to know and comply with applicable laws and rights to privacy in jurisdictions where you plan to use this device. Built-in Bluetooth technology and Wi-Fi connectivity let you upload saved footage to your compatible smartphone running the Garmin Drive app. The Garmin Drive app is your convenient solution to view, edit and share your dashcam footage. If you use multiple Garmin dashcams to capture video in front of or behind your vehicle, the app uses Dashcam Auto Sync to set up a network and sync recordings among the cameras. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Vantrue S1 Dash Cam. With a resolution of 4K 2880 by 2160p 24 fps or 1920 by 1080p 60 fps in single recording, you'll be able to see every detail. And both cameras simultaneously record front and rear at 1920 by 1080 30 fps, which will comprehensive coverage of the road behind you. Based on the compact and discrete dual-lens dash camera design, the hidden dash cam simultaneous recording front and rear in FHD, it can also stick directly to your windshield for optimal field of view and a super easy installation, thus not blocking the sight and making safe driving. Built-in GPS module accessory enables the front and rear GPS dash cam to location and coordinates of the motor vehicle. Auto switch to parking mode when dual-lens dash cam senses no movement in 5 minutes. Loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. Number 4 in our best dash cam list is Vantrue N2S Dash Cam. The N2S front and inside dash camera could record a Super QHD videos and images front and inside at 2560 by 1440p with 30 fps simultaneously as evidence in case of any accidents. Besides that, single front camera provides you with a crystal video at 3840 by 2160 25 fps to capture license plates as well as more wide and clear street details. It's your superior choice for Uber, Lyft, taxi, cab, and must-have for family road trip. The front and interior facing camera could record a Super QHD videos and images front and inside at 1440p x 1440p with 30 fps simultaneously as evidence in case of any accidents. The N2S dashboard camera comes with an external GPS mount, which helps precisely records your vehicle's location, speed, direction, date, and time to show exactly where and when events occurred, and playback on maps via Vantrue GPS Player. No need to purchase GPS mount separately. While the built-in G sensor detects a crash, the video of the current accident will be locked automatically as well as be saved as an event video to ensure important files are well protected. The loop recording function will overwrite the oldest footage automatically when the memory card reaches its maximum capacity. Our last pick is Vantrue X4 Dash Cam. Vantrue X4 Dash Car camera offers excellent video footage without distortion at 4K 3840 by 2160 30 fps or 2K 2560 by 1440p 60 fps, 4 times higher than a regular full HD recording. The car plates and signs are extremely easy to read, even on the 3.0 LCD. Equipped with 160 degrees wide recording angle, you will be able to capture most of the road ahead. Auto switch the dash camera to parking mode when it senses no movement in 5 minutes. Optional GPS function will allow you to track the driving route, location and speed km/h or mp/h data, and time. The logging will all be stored on your computer, along with the video. Loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity, and the footage will be stored in loops of 1/2/3 minute segments according to your setting.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!